Good day, my dear student. I am Teacher Grace, your teacher in this online distance learning English class. I'm glad to have you as my student. I hope you will learn and enjoy in different lessons in grade 5. Are you ready for our first lesson? Come, have fun and adventure in learning with me. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to distinguish among forms, the kinds and descriptions, fill out form accurately, the school forms, deposit, and withdrawal slips. We have house rules. 1. No chat while teacher is talking. 2. You can watch my video anytime of your convenient time. 3. Be prepared with your paper, pencil, and especially your modules. Stay seated and be respectful. So we're going to play scavenger hunt. We have our hunt rules. When hunting or getting the specified object, you must be safe. Do not run or too out loud when looking for the object. Person back with the item gets the point. The person with the most points wins. You must clean up all the items when we're done.